Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Next, we need to change the bounds. So when s equals to number 0, so we put number 0 cone here, and we got about u equals to negative number 4. When s equals to p, that's it from here. So we put this one cone here to find the value of u. So u equals to b squared minus 4. Number 0 in here, we change by this one. B, we change by this one. This one, we change by u. 2s ds, we change by du. So the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put the bounds from negative number 4 to b squared minus 4. And now we have the final answer. This one, we have negative number 4 inside the absolute value. We can write into ln number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.